As the year comes to an end, it feels like everyone's calendar is packed with gatherings. Don't you think this season really highlights how powerful words can be?
Absolutely. One wrong phrase can sour the mood, while a kind remark can lift someone's whole spirit. It's like carrying either a shadow or a lantern into the room.
That's a great image, and I think it's especially tricky between people of different positions. When someone in a higher role speaks without care, the impact can weigh heavily on the listener.
Exactly. A leader might just toss a casual remark, but for the person hearing it, that sentence could echo for weeks. That's why simple greetings like wishing someone a good year can be enough without unnecessary judgment.
Which makes me wonder, why do people often slip into giving heavy advice during these times instead of just offering light blessings?
Maybe it's because we confuse blessing with instruction. For instance, telling someone to quit smoking without understanding their struggle isn't really a blessing.
Right, and if they fail, it feels like blame more than encouragement. A true blessing explains why the change could help and frames it with hope, not pressure.
Exactly. If you tell someone, quitting will improve your health, your confidence, even your relationships, they feel inspired rather than scolded.
It's like planting a seed. If you just drop it on stone, nothing happens. But if you prepare the soil with explanation and care, it has a chance to grow.
I like that metaphor. And, when someone actually succeeds, like quitting smoking, it's not just the habit that changes. Their patience, resilience, even their outlook on life improves.
Which means one small blessing can ripple through their entire year. That's powerful.
And on the flip side, if someone feels only criticized, they might carry bitterness into the new year. Words can either fuel them or drain them.
So maybe during New Year's gatherings, less is more. A warm greeting, a sincere wish, and a reminder that good things lie ahead.
Yes, and not just giving blessings, but also knowing where to receive them. Finding mentors or elders who can speak light into your life is just as important.
True. It reminds me of how children visit elders for New Year greetings. It's not just about the red envelopes, it's about absorbing wisdom and encouragement.
Exactly. If you only take the money, you've missed the real treasure. The blessing is worth far more than the gift.
That's a great reminder for adults, too. We should seek out words that nourish us, not just tokens or gestures.
And maybe that's the deeper meaning of entering a new year. Not just making resolutions, but finding words that anchor us, guide us, and strengthen us.
I like that. It makes me wonder, if everyone began the year focused on giving and receiving genuine blessings, how different would our lives look by next December?
Probably brighter, lighter, and far more connected. After all, a kind word at the right moment can be the spark that changes someone's whole year.
So as we step into the new year, may we all choose our words carefully, like gifts we're giving, not just sounds we're making.
And may we all find people whose words give us strength, so the journey ahead feels less heavy and more hopeful.
That's a blessing in itself.
Indeed. Happy New Year may be filled with good words and brighter days.